Hi there, and thank you for joining me. This is Joe of Joe's Crafty Hook and Joe's Crafty Hook Designs. In this video tutorial today, I am going to show you how to front post double crochet 6 together. The reason I'm doing this is because I am doing a hat that has flower clusters, and that's the stitch that we will be using. Be sure to watch for that pattern coming out next weekend, which will be May 10th, right around Mother's Day. It should come out. So we will go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already did a row of double crochet. So what we're going to do here, and if you haven't learned to do double crochet, there is a video out there from my YouTube channel that you can find it at. So be sure to look for left-handed instructions on how to do double crochet, because doing it this way is going to be left-handed as well, because I'm a lefty. Okay, so what we're going to do is I did chain 2, and we are going to just regular double crochet in that first one. So next we are going to front post double crochet 6 together. Okay. Also, there's a video on my YouTube channel for front post double crochet. So this is front post double crochet decrease. So we'll go ahead and get started. So I got my yarn wrapped around my hook, and I'm going to go under the front post from left to right, because I'm a lefty. If you're a righty, then you go right to left. Wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. You have 3 loops on your hook, and we're doing a decrease. So what you're going to do is wrap your yarn around and draw through 2 loops. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook, go under the front post, left to right, bringing it up. You have 4 loops. So you're going to wrap your yarn around and draw through 2 only. Okay, wrap your yarn around the hook, go under that next front post. You have 5. So you're going to wrap your yarn around the hook and draw through 2 only. So we're going to wrap our yarn around the hook, go into under that next front post, bring it through. You have 6 loops on there. You're going to wrap it around, draw through 2. That's our 4th. So we're going to wrap our yarn around, go under the 5th post, wrap it around and bring it through. Now you have 7. And again, you're going to wrap it around, only draw through 2. Okay. And for our 6th one, we're going to wrap it around, go under that front loop, left to right, bring it through. You have 8 hook loops on your hook. So you're going to wrap it around, draw through 2. And now you have 2, 4, 6, 7 loops on your hook, and you're going to wrap it around and draw through all 7 loops. And there you have a double crochet 6, a front post double crochet 6 together. Okay, we'll do another one. So we're just going to chain 1 here to keep our decreases together. So we are going to wrap our yarn around the hook, go left to right, wrap your yarn around, bring through twice. Now you're doing a decrease, so you're going to wrap it around and only draw through 2 loops. Okay, wrap your yarn around, go under the next post, left to right, draw it through, wrap your yarn around, draw through 2 only. That's 2. We're going to go under that 3rd front post. We're going to wrap it around, draw through 2. Going under the 4th front post. You're going to wrap it around, draw through 2. Under our 5th front post, wrap it around and pull it through. Wrap it around, pull through 2 loops. And then our 6th one, wrap it around, go under that front loop, left to right. Bring it through. Wrap your yarn around, draw through 2 loops only. Okay. Now we have our 6 front post double crochet decreased. So we're going to wrap it around, wrap the yarn around our hook, and draw through all 7 loops. Okay. And do one more here. Wrap our yarn around, go under the front post, left to right, or right to left if you're a righty. Wrap your yarn, draw through 2 loops. Going under our 2nd front post, wrap it around, draw through 2 loops. We are going into our 3rd, under the front loop, left to right. Go through 2 loops. Our 4th front post. Wrap the yarn around, draw through 2 loops. Our 5th front post. Wrap it around, draw through. Wrap it around, draw through 2 loops. And then our 6th front post. Wrap it around, bring it through, and then wrap it around, bring through 2 loops only. Now you're going to close it. So you wrap it around and draw through all 7 loops. And there you have the front post double crochet 6 together that I will be using in my Twisted Clusters beanie. That will be out next week, so be sure to look for that pattern. If you'd like to see any type of stitch, technique, or something made, please put that in the comments and I will get back to you. Also, be sure to like or dislike this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate your support, and be sure to watch out for my next design, whatever that will be, and keep watching. Happy crocheting. Thank you for being here. Joe of Joe's Craft, Joe's Crafty Hook, and Joe's Crafty Hook Designs.